What is up, YouTube? It's OCDEDIC. I'm back with a beautiful struggle episode 10. Just threw on some gym stuff. Yeah, man. It's like late in the evening. It's like 5:30 right now, and the gym actually closes at 7. So just waiting on these clothes to dry. Yup. Shout out to my mom's friend Susie. She's absolutely amazing. I got a bunch of stuff. She gave me a bunch of stuff actually for my house, like this table here, which is dope, and I also got a washer and a dryer now, which is absolutely amazing. Now I don't have to go to the laundromat anymore, you know, so that's really dope. Thank you so much, Susan. About to really just kill a chest and back workout, you all. I'm gonna show y'all how nice it still is outside today. But yeah, let me take you over here.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white.
What a wonderful world. Oh yeah. Man, that boy can sing. Yeah, I feel good. I'm actually kind of tired. I stayed up really late last night. I was actually working on my beat store. If y'all want to go check that out, the link's in the description. I start throwing all my beats up there. And then I just woke up really early this morning on about 3 hours of sleep, but it's okay. I feel pretty all right. I just hope this workout's good, and we're gonna kill it either way. There's still a little damp. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. See what time it is, because I might just dip. It's 5:25. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave those guys be for now, and I will see you all at the gym. So we just made it here. It's dumb windy outside, crazy windy. There was points where I almost stopped completely. So we got about an hour, so I'm about to kill it. So I just had to make a quick stop at Food Line, give me one of those big water bottles. Honestly, I could have went cheaper and got the regular gallon, but I just really, and that's not even a full gallon as a matter of fact, it's only 3.5 quarts, but I really like the bottle, and I feel like that's obviously what you pay for when you buy that, because regular gallon is only 89 cents, and that thing's $1.50, but the bottle's dope, so that's why I like it. But I like to reuse it as much as I can. Kept the other one for a couple days. I just started getting those again, as I think you could see in the last vlog, but hopefully y'all can hear me right now. I'm not for sure how well the mic is set up, so I don't know if y'all can even hear me, but it is what it is, man. About to get home and cook a post-workout meal. That's what I'm gonna do. What is up, you all? So for my post-workout meal, I have here some protein pancakes, the Kodak pancakes, with 2 servings of reduced light syrup, sugar, whatever, and then banana. So I'm about to destroy this, boy. I apologize for the dryer in the background, but my goal is to be in bed by 11, which I can definitely do. It's 8:53 right now, still pretty early. Wait for these clothes to finish drying. I'm gonna throw my other load in there and fold those as well. But yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be a pretty cool day. My mom and her boyfriend are actually coming back down from New Jersey. And you all get to meet the puppy. Nah, for real. So whenever they came and visited, or they came and helped me move in a couple weeks ago, she actually got a puppy, and she's the cutest, literally the cutest. She's a Honestly, I can't remember what she is now. She's a mutt, but she's the cutest dog you'll ever see in your life. But and her name's Harley. My mother used to ride motorcycles back in the day a lot. But she actually got hurt, so she can't ride anymore currently right now. But so it's pretty cool that she named her Harley. It's a perfect name for her. But yeah, really excited to see them. And the puppy too. And my brother's actually gonna get a puppy as well, so I guess I'm next, right? Nah, I can't do all that right now. I can't. No. I could though, but we got too much going on, man. We need to focus for real. We'll get a puppy when the time's right. But night, you all. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, you all. I just had an awesome breakfast, or my normal breakfast, but 6 eggs with the waffles is what I had. And then I spoke to my brother for about an hour. But it's currently like 7:23 right now. And I'm about to head to the gym and get an arm and shoulder workout before work. So yeah, I'll see you all when I get there. Y'all gotta check the ice out. A little bit excessive, don't you think? Just a little bit. Come on, Summer, where you at? We just finished the workout, so I'm about to go ahead and show you a little physique update right fast, because why not, right? This is where we're at currently. 138.4 this morning. Alright, so I'm going to actually go ahead and end the video here. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel if you have not. And yeah, so more beautiful struggles are coming, so stay tuned.